I am so disappointed and I didn't expect this to happen. Like literally, no. Hey you guys, welcome or welcome back to my channel. If you are seeing this face for the first time, hi, this is Alekia. I make videos on fashion, beauty and lifestyle. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe to it now. It means a lot to me, and hit that notification bell so that you'll get notified whenever I upload a video. And also, I'm super active on my Instagram. I'll mention the handle over the screen and also in the description box. So please do check it out. Today's video is gonna be really very exciting, interesting video because I'm gonna review a beauty product. This is my first review and I'm even more excited. So let's not make this intro any longer. Let's get into the video. Very excited, nervous, and I have a very mixed emotions because this is my first review, as I already said, and I'll be reviewing K Beauty highlighter. Yes, K Beauty has recently launched their highlighters and maybe around 2 to 3 weeks back, if I'm not wrong. And for those who don't know, K Beauty is a brand owned by Bollywood star Katrina Kaif in collaboration with Nykaa. I have already made my mind on this product, so let's see what are those. We'll be starting with the packaging. It comes with a cardboard package like this. I don't know whether you guys can see it or not. The reflection is too hard. It comes with a packaging like this, cardboard packaging. A basic packaging, nothing very special, nothing very simple, nothing so special. It has written like illuminating highlighter enriched with avocado plus mango butter. Wow, I didn't see that. Anyways, so let's move on to the inner packaging. It looks like this. This is the packaging and I love this packaging very much, and this is one of the reasons why I bought this product. This packaging looked so cute, so stylish, so classy, and the gold and white combination even made it look like so beautiful. And I don't know what to say, it looks really very classy. In just one word, it's classy. So when you open the product, you will see a mirror inside it and the product, which is covered with a plastic cover, and I'm gonna show how this has disappointed me. Like literally see how this product has come to me. I have received a damaged product. And I don't want to keep it even more in a slanting position because that makes the product to go down and waste the product, which I don't want right now. And I'll add a clip somewhere with the screen or after this clip. You can see how I got the product. So literally that pissed me off. I don't know, the packaging looked really cute and everything was so good, but the product I received made me really very sad and disappointed. Let's forget about the packaging and the broken thing and let's focus on the product. So this is the product. I can't show you the product. I need to be really very careful. I need to show you if I have to show the product because I just don't want to waste the product. So I don't know whether the camera is capturing it or not, but yeah, this is how the product looks. And I bought the product in the shade Champagne Fizz, and I'll show you a hand swatch of it. I need to be really very careful with this because it just, just see how blinding is this product. You can easily build it up and build it down. It's so blending and also blinding also. This is like, and I even used this highlighter on my makeup today around the inner corners or over here. Just look at it. This looks so beautiful and blinding. This comes with a net weight of around 8.5 grams of price around 799 rupees. And whenever I think of the price, I really feel very bad because I spent really 800 rupees to get a damaged product. I feel bad, really bad. I don't know whom should I blame, whether I should blame Nykaa or I should blame the courier service. I don't know whom should I blame. and I'm really pissed off with this. I think they came up with around 4 to 5 shades, if I'm not wrong. I was pretty confused with the Champagne Fizz and Sunlit and finally decided to go with the Champagne Fizz. I think I have done a very good job in that. I never do that, but this is the first time I think I have picked up a good product for myself. Anyways, let's see what are the pros and cons in this product which I have observed. Texture. Its texture is really very smooth, and maybe because of the avocado and mango butter, I don't know much, but the texture is really very smooth. It doesn't have chunky sparkles in it. Ah, it is pocket friendly, but you need to be really very careful and you need to maintain it really very well, otherwise your product will be damaged. It is easily blendable and you can even build it up if you want that exclusive glow. And it has a various shade ranges, and I really loved that. You know, usually highlighters come with only 2 shades max of max or 1, but this has I think 4 to 5, which is like very very impressive. Technically there are no cons, I didn't see any cons, but the only thing that is bothering me is the situation of the highlighter. That is very pathetic. I don't know whom should I blame. I really don't know, but I need to be really very extra careful whenever I'm using this highlighter. That's it. I really loved this product. This product is like really very smooth in texture and it is blending really very easily, and it's around 799, which is nearly 800. I think it's worth the price. If you get the product in a proper manner, it's worth the price. You definitely need to try this product. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you all liked it. If you do, please give this video a huge thumbs up and like, share and comment, and do not forget to subscribe. Please do subscribe to it and hit that notification bell so that you'll get notified whenever I upload a video. So see you soon, guys. Bye.